Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the exact file and making a backup copy immediately. This preserves the original if anything goes wrong. Once done, select a plain text editor with a find/replace feature and set it to exact match mode. Make sure regex, whole word, and case options are off unless you need them. You want the tool to treat characters literally, so only the letter D is targeted. Now locate the find box and enter the single character you intend to change. Now perform the controlled replace. Type D into find and into replace. You will make decisions about case sensitivity. If you only want lowercase d, enable that option. Otherwise, you might change more than intended. Use replace next or step functions so you can inspect each instance before committing. This prevents accidental mass edits. If the editor offers a preview or change list, review it. Take your time on the first dozen replacements to confirm behavior before doing larger batches. Finish by searching again for the letter D to ensure no occurrences remain where you expected them. Make sure to scan contexts. Letters inside words, abbreviations, or code may need different handling. If you discover errors, restore the backup file and rerun find/replace with adjusted settings such as whole word or boundary constraints. One key troubleshooting tip: if many unintended changes occur, undo immediately and switch to stepwise replacement, or use a script that targets only specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.